Ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a good trip. We are about 10 minutes away from our destination. It's not cool that it's raining today, but I think it's not too bad because it's been such a hot day for the past few weeks, and I was almost fainting at home. I couldn't even sleep. It was so hot. So where I'm going today is said to be the oldest and most well preserved hutong, which is alleyway in Beijing, and I'm really excited. Also because I've recently readopted the habit of reading. Inside the hutong there is a bookshop that's all about books about Beijing. It is raining so bad, guys. I think I picked the wrong day, but let's just try to enjoy it. And I think the rain adds another flavor, so let's do it. Oh, look at this sad polar bear. And there's also like a Chinese knot for luck and some golden leaves. I can't really tell which holiday is it, Chinese New Year or Christmas. I'm confused. So guys, the thing I love about Beijing is it's so historical and it's like a natural living museum. So guys, look, I've spotted another gigantic tree on the back, and it is the biggest one yet. And the reason I know that this tree is blessed or lucky is because, can you see the red banners? The thing about Beijing, guys, always construction, always building, always something new, and I think true to many cities in China. And to me it's exciting, and I know sometimes it can be very chaotic, but I like living somewhere that there's always new things, new people. What about you? So now guys, we're outside of the ancient bookstore, and can you see the tower on the back? Gosh, oh yeah, oh my god, yes, here, the tower, can you see? And it is a Yuan Dynasty tower as well, so let's go check it out. So loud on the street. 你好。哦，我买本这个书在哪儿？
那个什么，
这是
只有我们自己出的时候才能送。
哦，这老师就不知道从哪儿收过来的，是吗？
各种渠道收的。
So guys, it's a perfect afternoon. I did not expect it to be so good. I strolled around an ancient hutong. I bought 2 books, one about the food in Beijing and another about differences between people in Beijing and people in Shanghai, an old book of 20 years. And I'm definitely going to cherish this book as, I mean, you can't find it anywhere else now. So I took a stroll and I walked around the bookstore and I saw books about China published in 1930s in Oxford, and I saw so many different books about Beijing. It just makes me feel that if there are so many literatures about this city, it must be a great city, and I'm really happy to choose this city as a place to live for me or as my second or third home. So guys, wherever you are, I hope that you have peace in your heart, and I hope that you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you next time. Bye!